Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Mint Mongoose. Now, if you're not familiar, Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription. It runs $16.99 per month, but if you prepay ahead of time, the price goes down, which is really nice savings. You get 3 pieces of jewelry, and you get to specify your metal tone, whether you'd like gold, silver, rose gold, or surprise me. So let's go ahead and see what she sent for September. When you open the bag, you're going to see a little envelope inside. And she has a really nice little Mint Mongoose seal on there. She includes the card for the month. Oh, and it looks like I have a scratch me. Every 3 months she awards you, or rewards you, I should say, with an anniversary gift. So this is my 9-month anniversary, I believe. And it says, yeah, happy 9-month anniversary, scratch me. So let's go ahead and scratch and see what it says. I need my little knife. Hello, little knife. I found it. So we're going to scratch that. Now, last time I got a scratch-off ticket, I have to say that I followed the instructions and I never did get the free gift. So, don't know what's happening there. It basically says to text a code to a phone number and to see what I've won, which I did that, and I never got a response. I have no idea. So I reached out to her and she told me to reach out to someone else. I did that. I never heard back. So I don't know. I will give it another go and see how that goes. So, the opportunity of a lifetime only lasts for the lifetime of the opportunity is the inspiration behind this month. And she likes to give a nice little story about how she found the inspiration. She is a single mother, a small business that puts these together for us. So that's the card. And then here is your sealed envelope. And we dump it out, and we have always a little Werther's Original inside, and then just a card with her info. Yay, it's here. Oh, I already have these. I received these earrings in a previous month. This might be an anniversary gift, I'm not sure. But yes, I already have these because of a set that I received a few months ago. So I will go ahead, and these are silver, and they're just little studs. I will go ahead and put these in a giveaway. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers. So, smash that button. The winner of the 500 subscriber giveaway will have a really nice box. And then normally these come wrapped up. I just twist off the end and just pull them out. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap these. Give me a moment. So I did figure out after opening the pieces that there's only 2 pieces with the set itself. So I believe that this would be the 3rd piece. And, you know, I mean, they should know what they gave away a couple of months ago and that I already have these. So, but I'm going to put them in a giveaway for you guys. Now, these are very cute. Little ladybug earrings. Very cute. I get everything in silver. Let's go ahead and put these on. There's one. There we go. And if you're worried about them falling out, she includes the two little small rubber stoppers that go on the earring back. So you get those. And here is the necklace. It's a long necklace. And they all have extenders. So you can wear it as long or short as you like. It has the Mint Mongoose emblem on it. And this also is a little ladybug. So we're going to put this on too. And there's my little ladybug. So there is the little ladybug. I think it's very cute, though I have to say that I find that her jewelry pieces, for me, are a bit small. Now, what I've done is I've canceled my subscription, but I still have 3 months to go because I prepaid for the whole year. So I get mine for $13.99 a month, which is significant savings. But I am going to look for a different jewelry subscription so we can kind of compare the two and see if I like that one better, if I like it worse. But I am happy with Mint Mongoose. I have quite a collection of jewelry over there now, and I think these pieces are very cute, though I think they're a little bit too small for me, I have to say. My daughter would love these because she likes really small earrings. I think I may give these to her. And on that note, I am very glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.